The question above might look tedious, but join me as I solve this question step by step in a well simplified manner. The question says find the potential difference between A and B terminals for the given circuit below. All right, you can see we have 2 ampere, that is current 2 ampere that is entering into the circuit. We have 1 ohms, we have 9 volts, 2 ohms, and so on and so forth. All right, so for us to solve this question correctly, we are going to connect an unknown voltage source to this circuit. So I'm going to be drawing the circuit here. So here is the voltage source. Now we've connected a voltage source to it, which is VAB, since the question says we should find potential difference between A and B terminal. All right, now so we are going to apply KVL. So applying KVL, all right, so you can see we have already taken the direction, and you can see the current is flowing in this direction, that is in the clockwise direction. All right, so starting from here, we are moving from negative to positive, that is voltage gain. So that is VAB. All right, so now here, since our current is going in the same direction with this, we're going to take our voltage here to be negative. So that is 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1. All right, and here we are moving from negative to positive. That is voltage gain as well. That is positive 9. All right, so here again, stay in the same direction. 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2. All right, so here we are moving from positive to negative, that is voltage drop, minus 3. All right, so here it's going to be minus 2 multiplied by 3. So minus 2 multiplied by 3, everything will be equals to 0. All right, so here we are going to have VAB. So 2 times 1 is 2, so we are going to have this minus 2 plus 9, then 2 times 2 is 4, then minus 3 minus 6 equals to what? 0. All right, so if you look at this, we are going to have minus 2 plus 9. Minus 2 plus 9 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 7, right? Positive 7. And 7 minus 4, that's going to give us what? That's going to give us 3. 3 minus 3 is going to be what? 0. So we'll be left with what? Minus 6. So we are going to have VAB minus 6 will be equals to 0. So the potential will be equals to what? 6 volts. So here is the solution of the question, that is the potential between terminal A and B is 6 volts. So this is how to go about the question. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to reach out if you want any of our services. We render private tutoring. We solve assignment for engineering students, and if you are having difficulties with any topic, you can reach out. We can develop a simplified material for you on that particular topic. Stay tuned for more.